Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I share with you how to add a profile picture on your Snapchat account. So okay guys, before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You only have to do is go to Snapchat account. Okay, in your Snapchat account, click the profile picture on the upper left side in your screen. So after you click your profile picture, then click the gear icon on the upper right side on the screen. So okay guys, in this portion, find the Bitmoji. So here the Bitmoji below, click this. So okay guys, to create Bitmoji or create a profile picture in your Snapchat account. So guys, I have no profile picture in my Snapchat account, so I add the Bitmoji profile picture. So okay guys, to create, so click the create Bitmoji. You'll see the Bitmoji female or male. I select male because I'm male. Then after select your gender, so yun guys, you can select the skin tone. So if you are black, white or brown, so I select this white or on my skin tone. Then you can select the, or you can change the hair. So click the hair below, her icon. So guys, you can find or you can select different hair below. So guys, click the army cut. So okay guys, if you add a facial hair, so click the facial hair icon below. Then I add this for my profile Bitmoji, profile picture Bitmoji. So okay, you can scroll down and you can select TED, or you can select more design or more facial hair. So okay guys, I select this one. So that's it. Then you can change the eyes. So click the eye icon below, the eye shape. You can select the eye shape of your Bitmoji profile picture. So I select this one. Okay guys, if you are satisfied to your Bitmoji profile picture, click the save button on the upper right side on your screen. Then the pop-up will show the ready to pick an outfit. So click yes. Okay guys, in this portion you can select the outfit. So I try this red outfit, or okay. Then if you are satisfied on the red outfit, so click the save on the upper right side. So okay guys, we have a profile picture in Snapchat account. So okay guys, to see my profile picture, okay, back. So click the profile picture. So you will see my profile picture Bitmoji. So okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, comment below. And if you like this video, click the like button. And if you are not my subscriber, click the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, thank you for watching.